Hey everyone, Dr. Shawhead here, and in this video, we're going to quickly provide an overview on root canal treatments and the steps that are involved. Endodontic treatment procedures can be divided into the following four main phases. The first being access cavity preparation. This helps to identify the root canal entrances, which really sets the stage for the remaining steps of the root canal treatment. Now, this step is not only about finding the location of the root orifices, but it's also about finding the right number of root orifices depending on the tooth we are working on. The next step is cleaning and shaping. Cleaning and shaping allows not only for the removal of infected soft and hard tissue, but it also introduces our endodontic irrigants into the canal space. Finally, it helps create space for the delivery of any medicaments we decide to use between appointments, and it helps create space for obturation materials that we will use in the next step, which is appropriately named obturation. The primary objective of this third step is to seal the canals, preventing bacteria, bacterial products, and structural components from leaking into the periapical tissues to cause disease. Now, a lesser known fact about obturation is that if done correctly, it helps prevent any nutrients in the periapical tissues from reaching any remaining intracanal bacteria that may have survived our cleaning and shaping. The last step, final restoration, to be honest guys, isn't really a step of root canal treatment, but it's important for the longevity of the tooth. And really, the goal here, just like obturation and the objective of sealing off the root canal system from the periapical tissues, the final restoration aims to seal off the root canal system from the oral cavity. And to really effectively do that, a full coverage restoration is indicated in most cases. Alright guys, I hope that was a helpful review of the root canal treatment process, and in the next set of videos, I'll go into each of these steps in more detail.